Kia's Soul Tire Pressure Secrets. Get better performance and safety. To ensure optimal ride quality, vehicle handling, and minimal tire wear, it is essential to maintain the recommended tire pressures. You can find all size and pressure specifications on the label located on the driver's side center pillar. Driving on severely underinflated tires can generate excessive heat, leading to blowouts, tread separation, and other failures that may result in loss of vehicle control. These risks increase on hot days and during prolonged high-speed driving. Underinflated tires also cause faster wear, poor handling, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential wheel deformation. Maintain proper tire pressures, and if a tire frequently loses air, have it inspected by an authorized Kia dealer. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, result in a rougher ride, increased wear in the center of the tread, and a higher likelihood of damage from road hazards. Keep in mind that warm tires will typically show 4 to 6 psi, 28 to 41 kilopascals, above the recommended cold pressures. Avoid releasing air from warm tires, as this could cause underinflation when they cool. Always reinstall valve caps after adjusting tire pressure. Missing valve caps allow dirt and moisture to enter the valve, potentially leading to air leaks. Replace any missing caps promptly to ensure tire integrity. Always follow these guidelines. Check tire pressure when cold. Measure tire pressure only when the tires are cold, after the vehicle has been parked for at least 3 hours or driven less than 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers, since starting. Don't forget the spare tire. Each time you check the pressure of your primary tires, also check the spare tire to ensure it's ready in case of an emergency. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Never exceed the recommended load capacity for your vehicle, including luggage racks if your car has one. Overloading can affect handling, tire safety, and overall performance. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.